What's up guys, it's Super Cecil and this is Super Nation. Now if you want to be part of the Super Nation crew, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like on this. And also if you want to win a $100 gift card, make sure you go a few videos back about my 100 subscriber video to find out the details. Now in today's episode, has this ever happened to you? Because if it has, you're part of a selected crew that are in the FG club. Today I'm going to show you how to take off the door cards and replace the inner door handle. It's not too hard, it's quite easy. Now because I've replaced mine already, it's going to look a little different, but I'll go through every step that you need to and what you need to do. So let's get into that, yeah? Alright, all you're going to need is a T25 star screwdriver head, a normal screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. Obviously also the part to replace it. I got mine from a Wreckers which had a generic made one. Alright, so your first job is to get the screwdriver. Always what I do is if I'm trying to apply something off, I will get a rag and I'll put it over. Alright, then we just go up here, stick it underneath. Making sure we don't break it. Push it off. Just coming out. Alright, as you can see, there's a hole there, there's a screwdriver, there's a star in there, there's a, if I can get it lower, there's two under here, and then I'm going to show you how to take this one out. There's one in there. You'll notice in here that you can't see a bolt, but because here is actually a plastic thing. Now I suggest using something less corrosive, but let's just get it out. It's too big. So push down, slide across. This rubber thing comes out. Okay, rubber piece out. Now you can see there's a bolt in there. Let's get that out. And this is why it comes out, because down there, stuck into there. But I've cracked mine yet again. Careful. Now, everything's out. We have to lift it up, pull it down, and then inside you'll see the connections for the windows. Just pull them out. Now first you take this part out, so all you have to do is lift that up and it'll come out like that. You probably can see it. So see here, right, it'll be in there, right? It'll be stuck in there. Stuck in there, so you pull it, lift that, pull it out, sideways, pulls out. You want to need 2 hands. Let me get that out and then we'll get to the next part. Okay, that took a little bit, but under here there's a clip, so that'll make it pull out. This one just took some time to get out. Okay, let's have a look, see. Okay, now that's the part. Now it doesn't come like that, okay? For some reason, Falcon decided to, or should I say Ford decided to skimp on some things. Here, here, here and here, all molded over. So when you pull it out and its original one hasn't been changed, it doesn't look like this. So what you have to do is snap off the tags that are here, and then when you get these new replacement ones, they should come pre with washers and bolts. So once you snap the tags off, put the new one back in, right? And then, no, snap the tags, take the old one off, sorry, should I say, take the old one off, put the new one back in, and you'll have to it shouldn't be too hard. If you use a screwdriver, just a normal screwdriver, you should be able to push into the plastic with the screws. That's what I did, and then it goes back in. I haven't had any problems with the remake one. It's been good, and yeah, make sure before you go to put it back in the car that all these white caps are back in the right spots, so that it's not too hard to go back in. Alright, pretty much just reverse. We'll put it back on. Okay, first put the plug back in. Put the plug back in. Connect the plugs. Find the hole. She said. Spot. Go. In. In. Oh, idiot! I forgot to put the bloody cable back in for the for this. It's yours not gonna work.
My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Slide, see here, there's a clip here, slide in there. Alright, there you have it, it's done. It looks easy, but be careful with breaking parts, and it can get a bit frustrating. With everything that's going on in the world today, just please be safe, make sure you wash your hands, cough and sneeze into your elbow, and if you're sick, please stay home. Like, seriously, you'll do us all a favour, but just be safe. Anyway guys, that's it for me today, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Super Nation crew. I'm out, I'll see you guys later.